morning. Today we are going to unbox this Boss Orange Man Boss Hugo Boss perfume of 100 ml. You can see the ingredients behind it. This is made in UK. The serial number below. And you can also another serial number here. So I'm going to unbox this very quickly. Let's peel off the, what is this, seal. Oh, it looks like the eternity, but this looks like more like an ice cube or a six-pack abs. I think this is a six-pack abs. Smells great. This is like a Lego. Looks like the eternity. So there you have it. The Hugo Boss Man Orange. Boss Orange. Thank you.